Here's a tutorial on how to make a moving green screen video in After Effects. First, create a new composition and mimic these settings. You don't have to make them exact, but you have to have a black background. Click OK.
If you haven't already, take your video from your files and put it onto the clipboard and onto the timeline. Click the Roto Brush tool above. Realign the Essential Graphics video so it's easy to edit. It's to the right of the main video. Using the Roto Brush, draw an outline on the object you're going to green screen with. It won't be perfect, so you'll have to fix it. As you can see, inside the pink line is what the green screen is going to be leaving in. So in order to put new parts in it, you must draw over with the green brush like you did before. Now for any unwanted parts, use the Alt key and hold it while you are using the tool. It should take away the unwanted parts. It should be red instead of green. Now go back up and hold on the Roto Brush tool and you'll find the Refine Edge tool. This will be used for hair and it will take away the small edges like any clothing or hair that sticks out.
Draw an outline around the head and shoulders.
Now go down to the bar below and match it to the video. Now you must make sure the render is on or all of this would be for nothing. Now press the space bar and it should render.
We're going to skip to when it's done. When the green bar is filled, you can mess with other tools like feathering, contrast, shift edge, and reduce chatter to make it look more real.
Now move the Essential Graphics over and let's watch what we have made. First it has to render, so that might take a while. We'll see you in a little bit. It has finished rendering and now this is what it looks like with a black background. Now right click on the timeline and select New, Solid. Copy these settings and make sure it's a green background. Click OK. You should have this on your screen.
Now click and hold on your video and put it above the green solid.
This is what your final result should look like. There might be mistakes here and there, but you might need to go back and redo them.
When you are finished, add to render queue and export. Thanks for watching.